What we're going to show you how to do is to install the 23-148 lever in the reversing mechanism on the 23 unit. In the manual, it's the 22-144 motor reversing unit. These are all the details. Underneath that is the 23-7 tapping head assembly, which is everything. But that's where it is in your manual. To start with, we've got the 23-146 body that sticks through the unit. The 23-151 spring, the 23-150 plunger, the 23-149 roll, the 23-103 pin, and the 23-148 lever. Now this lever has the rolls glued in it. I'll show you why that is the case in a minute. But just to give you a close-up, the springs, the plunger, and the roll are really what we're installing, and then we're putting this on top of that. Now, this is the limit switch side of the unit, and this is the reversing unit right here, coming through this side. On this side, you've got it sticking out here. Now, okay, go ahead. To install it, oh wait, pull that out for a second. Let me show one thing. Okay, these are the plungers sticking through. And then on this piece, these are the rolls that we've used some adhesive to get into the top of that. Okay, put it in now. Okay, so we use some threaded rod sticking through where the eccentric goes through, so we can hold this in place and make sure that those two rolls are standing at attention, sticking straight up. Okay, so this will keep the whole assembly together with those two rolls in place while we finish assembling the unit. Now we've got to put the pin through that hole.
Just already in there.
And then, is that it?
Yeah, and then we just slide the whole unit through, yeah.
Okay. And then on this side, you have to install the key and the gear. Or can you just put those in the frame so we can see what we're talking about? Okay, there's the little key.
You have to show it up here. I think it'd be easier.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
The key, and then that's the gear that the upper limit switch rides on. And then right next to it, that's the operating lever that activates the limit switch.